2, 1.
Baby, you know I'm feeling you. You see, you feel me too.
Hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today is Mother's Day, so I'm going to share with you guys how I pampered my mom today. So I gave her a facial massage using all the natural products available at home very easily. Then I made her brows and forehead, cleaned her forehead basically using a thread because she can't bear wax at her skin. Her skin is super sensitive. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to use this raw milk as a cleanser. For scrub I have taken 1 tablespoon of oats, and now I'm adding 1 tablespoon, almost 1 tablespoon of honey into it, and now I'll add rose water. After adding rose water, I'm adding a pinch of coffee into it. All these ingredients work as a great cleanser and exfoliator, so must try this scrub. Now I'm mixing all the 4 things. Rose water is completely optional. You can use plain water as well. Now for massage cream, I have taken this fresh aloe vera. It will help us in moisturizing the skin. Now I'm adding almost half tablespoon of curd. Curd will add glow to our skin, so must use curd. Now I'm adding some drops of this Nykaa facial oil. This is anti-aging oil. This is optional again. And in last, I'm adding turmeric. It has antibacterial properties, so yeah. Here our massage cream is also ready. For face pack, I have taken this ripe banana and I am making a paste out of it. And here is 1.5 tablespoon of gram flour. Now I am adding the banana paste into the gram flour and mix it well. I have taken this banana paste because it has anti-aging properties. Now I am adding a pinch of turmeric, half tablespoon of honey, and now in last I'm gonna add rose water and mix all these things together nicely. So now our face pack is ready. So now first step of the facial is cleansing. So I'm gonna dip these cotton pads into this raw milk and I'll wipe her face. Now second step is scrubbing. So I have taken this scrub and I'll apply it all over her face. Now before starting the massage, I am taking 2-3 drops of rose water on my hands and then I'll start the massage. Always do a massage in inward direction and not in outward direction, because if we do a massage in inward direction, it tightens up the skin, and if we do a massage in outward direction, it makes our skin loose. Third step of facial is to massage the face with the cream. Now again I am taking 2-3 drops of rose water on my hands. You can use plain water as well. So before applying face pack, I am wiping her face with this raw milk again. Now I have taken this another wipe, and I have dipped it into a raw milk, and I'll leave it on her face for good 10 minutes. Now after removing that wipe, I have applied this face pack over her face with this face pack brush. So the facial is complete, and now I am doing her threading. तो मम्मी आपको कैसा लगा फेशियल?
बहुत अच्छा।
जो आप ये ओत्री कराती हो इतने महंगे महंगे, उससे अच्छा है या वो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है?
उससे अच्छा है ये।
उससे अच्छा है?
घर में।
घर में। चलो बाय कर दो सबको, बाय।
बाय।
And here is the cake made by me for my mom. That was my video for today. If you guys like this video, then smash the like button, share this video with your friends and relatives, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Take care of your mom, guys. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.